Hey guys, it's Joe from Profit Wolf, and in this video I want to show you the easiest and fastest way to sell on Amazon. So it's not going to be private label or dropshipping, and you're not going to have to import anything from China. With this method, you can pretty much get started in a few days, and within 1 week you can get your first items selling on Amazon, even if you don't have an account yet. This method is called online arbitrage. Some of you may know it as retail arbitrage. It's almost the same thing. And what you're gonna do is just buy items from your local retail stores, online or physically, and then resell those items on Amazon. And I'm gonna show you in a moment how I choose my items, and you know what, feel free to use them, to steal them, and to sell them on Amazon. Now you have to be aware that a lot of people are watching this video, so you probably wanna choose different products, but the tools and the techniques that I'm gonna show you are exactly the same. So, as I said, I'm gonna go to a retailer that's in my country, which is France, and I'm gonna show you how I choose the product. So first, let's go to Auchan, which is a French retailer. But again, if you're in the UK, you can do this with any UK retailer. And the specificity of this retailer right now is that they're doing sales. Actually, right now in January, we have nationwide sales, which means stores are actually allowed to sell their items for a lower price than what they bought them for. And you have to understand that this usually is illegal. In France, no store can sell their items cheaper than what they bought them for. And you can only do that twice during the year, which is in January when we have sales, and in summer when there's the second sales of the year. So you should really take advantage of this because you're gonna find amazing items. And right now, I think it's the best opportunity to sell on Amazon because it's a new year. You should get your account ready for Christmas. So let's get into it. The first thing you're gonna do is go to the sales category, which is sold. Don't worry, if you don't speak French, it's pretty easy. Just use Google Translate. Actually, you can translate it right now. Okay, I don't have the extension, but you can just translate the page with an extension. So click on this, then you're gonna click on sales, and you click on vente à perte, which means objects that this retailer is selling at a loss, which means when they sell this, they're gonna lose money. So you click on this, and you see here, you click on see all. And now you have 2,000 items that are selling at a loss. And what I like to do is to filter them by bestsellers. So this way you have first the items that sell the best. So you click on this, and we're going to take the first product and then the second, third, and you're going to compare all of these products to Amazon. So it's very easy. First item, you see it's selling for 639 euros and it used to sell for 15.99. So what you're going to do is just copy the EAN code, go to Amazon. So in this case, I'm going to my marketplace, Amazon France, because it's a French retailer, but you can do exactly the same thing with Argos, Tesco, compared with Amazon UK. So then you paste this here, and you check the price. So this is called the buy box. It's the price that Amazon is pushing forward for this product. And as you can see, you can buy this for 6.39 and you can resell it for 21 euros and 88 cents. But here, the seller of this item is not an FBA seller, it's a FBM seller, which means if you're new to this, don't worry too much, but what we want to do is FBA, which means we send our items to the Amazon warehouse, which then dispatches them to the client. And in our case, we can sell this more expensive than 21.88 because we're going to be FBA sellers, and Amazon likes FBA sellers more than FBM sellers. So I'm pretty confident we can sell this for 25 euros. So then I'm going to open my calculator. So this is a tool provided by Amazon, by the selling platform of Amazon. So then you can just click on the ASIN, which is the unique identifier of this item on Amazon, and then you copy and paste this here. And okay, actually I should go to Amazon France. So same thing, you paste this here, and here you're going to input the price of the item. So that's the price on Amazon, what you want to sell this item for. So it's going to be 25 euros, and then 6.39 would be my purchasing price. So with this configuration here, I'm going to be making a profit of 9.50 euros for every unit of this product that I sell. Now, there's going to be fees added to the Amazon fee. So basically, you can see here we have 3.86 euros of commission from Amazon and 5.25 euros of FBA fee. So that's how much does Amazon charge you to ship the product to the customer. So that's quite a lot of fees, but to that we have to add the fee of receiving the item from this retailer, prepping the item, and then sending it to Amazon. So I like to add 3 euros because, you know, it's in average 1 euro to get it because you order big quantity. So it's not that expensive to receive all these items. To prep it, maybe 1 euro if you do it yourself, or if you have a prep center, and then 1 more euro to send that to Amazon. So I like to say 3 euros and then calculate, and you see you have a profit of 6.50 euros, which is enormous because for every unit that you buy, so when you spend 6 euros, when you risk 6 euros, you make a return of 6.50 euros. So your return on investment is more than 100%, which is amazing, especially for this business model. So that's just one product. And as you can see here, we have the Keeper Graph. If you don't know what this is, don't worry, it's an advanced tool, but it's not that complicated. If you want to know more about this, go to our Facebook group, which is in the description and also in the comments. But basically this shows you that this item is selling a lot at 15 euros, but it's also selling at 22 euros. And if you come on this item as an FBA seller, you get more sales than this, so no worries. So let's get a second item. You know that I don't like to sell clothing, so I'm gonna skip all these and let's go to the second one, which is an item sold for 28 euros and it used to be 70 euros. So it's more expensive, so there's a little bit more risk, but there's also more reward. So we copy the EAN code, paste it on Amazon, then click on the product, and you see that Amazon is selling this for 54.90 euros. And if you want to check the Keeper Graph, as I said, don't worry about this if you're new, but if you know what this is, basically here we see that Amazon is out of stock, which is good, which means that now we're going to be able to sell this item ourselves, and probably we can sell it for the same price as this guy. So if you click on here, you see that there's an FBA seller selling this item for 54.90. So we can just align ourselves on this guy, copy the ASIN, check how much profit you can actually make. So 54.90, and we can buy this for 27.99. We can add our 3 euros of preparation and we make a profit of 10.21 euros, which is a lot again, because for every 27 euros that we risk, we make back 10 euros. So it's a return on investment of more than 30%, which is still enormous for this business model. And this is an item that will sell for sure very quickly. And yeah, that's just 2 items. Like, that's literally the first 2 items that we looked at, and there's 2,000 items like this. So I'm pretty confident that in this whole store there's going to be hundreds of items that you can resell. Then you can move on to other stores, and yeah, that's how you get started, guys. So if you liked this video, don't forget we have a Facebook group you can join right now. It's in the description or in the comments, as I said. And if you also enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it and to subscribe. You know, I spend a lot of time making these videos and preparing them, so it would mean a lot to me if you could help me grow the channel. And with that said, I wish you a great evening or day, whatever time it is. See you.